I didn't always know I wanted to be a DA. When I was in law school, I almost thought I was going to be a public defender. At Berkeley, I was part of a protest movement, and I really wanted to fight for justice with everything I did. And so I served in our student government as an undergrad, and I was part of lots of different community organizations that went back and gave service. But what I learned later on was that serving victims, and that also came through the domestic violence clinic, serving victims was my true passion. And I knew that if I had applied to the district attorney's office, I'd have the opportunity to not only serve victims, but also serve justice by evaluating cases and doing well. I mean, you dismiss the cases that aren't provable, or you can't, prove beyond a reasonable doubt. But also, you hold people accountable for the things that they do. Regardless of how small or large, people should be held responsible for their actions. And I knew that by serving victims and being a friendly face to people who might view the district attorney's office through a lens that involved, some folks find it unfriendly because it doesn't appeal to their upbringing or their vision of what it is that the justice system is all about. And I knew that as a Latina and as somebody who was born without many resources, that I knew I could communicate with certain victims who might need that in order to effectively navigate the criminal justice system.